Hi, Mr. Brock.
Hi, Billy.
Hi, Mrs. Brock.
How's your mama?
Well, she's still a little bit sick.
Hey, Billy. How's it going? Where's your girlfriend?
I don't have one.
Why, you're old enough to have a girlfriend, boy. Where's that Andrews girl?
Oh, Herschel, don't be kidding him.
I'm just kidding a little bit.
Miss Brock, can I have a bologna sandwich?
You can. You want onion on it?
Just mayonnaise and bologna.
Put that down, Billy. It might make you sick.
That snow that come in May,
How high is your corn in there, Alan?
Oh, it's about knee high.
Mine's not hardly that high, but it's come along pretty good.
Shoot.
It's been a lot better. That hail tore it up.
Boy, that hail eat mine up too. I'm telling you, it really eat it up and everything. Come back here, Alan. I want to see if you know what this is back here.
Yep. Right, Nate.
Hey, Billy, what are you doing with that sweet-smelling stuff?
I'm looking at it for my mom.
Man, Sam had a real casket down there and a dummy in the casket. So he would invite visitors to go down and look at kept his meat in the basement. He'd invite them to go down and look at the meat and what have you. So a little light would come on in the coffin lid and this dummy would raise up.
Scare them all to death.
Scare him to death. So he got a couple of ladies down there one time. And one of them fainted on him.
15 cents, Billy.
Well, it was funny for him to start with, but after that fainted, it like to scare you to death. You know how come him in the Marlowe community?
No.
Do you know when he come to the Marlowe community?
No, I don't know what.
Hi. Hi. Hi, Mr. and Mrs. Brock.
Hi, Tammy. How are you?
Fine. Hi, Billy. Hi, Tammy. How are you? Fine. How's your folks? They're great. What you eating? Nothing. I gotta go. Bye. Okay, bye.
That boy got his family.